Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I am actually with my mom and we're gonna be making blue jaws tire leaf. I'm not sure how you call it in where you're from, but that's the name that I grew up knowing it as. And the ingredients today is gonna be our green banana, we have our nutmeg, cornmeal, brown sugar, and of course we have our spices, cinnamon, almond extract, and vanilla, and of course coconut. And of course guys, we're gonna be adding flour. And in the description guys, I'm gonna put all the ingredients that we're using today, the measurements and everything. So I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what we're going to be putting into this blue jaws today. And again, my mom is helping me to make it, and because I've never made it before. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna put this together and show you how we make this blue jar. So my mom is gonna go ahead, and no, we're not blending the banana, we're going old school. So she's gonna grate the banana and then we're gonna mix everything up. All right, so stay tuned guys. I'm gonna come back and show you once the banana is grated and ready for us to mix everything together, and we're gonna show you step by step how we make this blue jaws. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so welcome back. So guys, our banana is grated and ready to go. Again guys, we didn't put this in the blender, we're doing it old school. And old school is use your grater, good old fashioned grater, and just watch your knuckles. All right, and how many banana was this? 8? 10. So we're doing 10 bananas, and here we have 2 cups of sugar, and we're using the brown sugar. And guys, put the sugar to your taste. If you like it sweet, go right ahead. If you don't, then you know you could limit, and you could use your whatever sweetener is good for you to use. You could substitute the real sugar for any kind of sweetener that you want. Wow. And guys, we have vanilla, and this is 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. In this bowl right here, we have 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we have our coconut blended right here. Actually no, blended, right? Yeah, blended. And we blend it very fine because we're putting the coconut, the trash juice and everything in these ingredients, right? So this is 2 small coconut, which is about 2.5 cups. And in this bowl we have our flour, and we have 4 cups of cornmeal and 2 cups of flour. Okay, so now my mom is going to go ahead and put all these ingredients together, and we're going to go ahead and start our blue jaws tire leaf Ducunu. So we're putting in the vanilla, and she's putting in the spices that we're using. Okay, and what's next? We're gonna put in our sugar. And again guys, you can use less sugar, you can use more sugar. It's whatever your taste buds call for, or you can use your substitute, your sugar substitute. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put our coconut milk, our coconut. Mommy, let's move these out of the way. So we're gonna move some of these stuff. We're gonna move the bowl, and she's adding the coconut, and she's doing a small portion at a time, and then she's gonna mix. And again guys, if you would like to add raisins, you could go ahead and add your raisins. And You could go ahead and add raisins if you'd like. You can tip a little bit of Jamaican rum. Anything is go for this blue jaws, tire leaf, or Ducunu. So again, guys, I've never made this before. I like this as a kid growing up, especially you come from school, you're hungry, and it's nice and hot coming off the stove, and you get it with a little bit of lemonade, and trust and believe you're good to go. All right, my mommy is mixing, and she's adding a little bit at a time the coconut, and then after she put all her wet ingredients together, she's gonna go ahead and she's gonna add the dry ingredients. Okay guys, so now we're mixing our cornmeal and flour together. Combine the two, and then we are going to use a strainer to sift our flour and cornmeal in. And again, guys, we're doing a small amount at a time. Yeah, mix. And again, guys, this is our blue jaws, Ducunu, tire leaf. And guys, don't forget, in the comment section, you could make your comment if you've had this before, depending on where you're from, what's the name that you call it, where you're from, whether you're from Jamaica, whichever island you're from. And guys, you can add whatever else you want to add to this. Some people add raisins, some people just do no raisins. And I've had it before where the person put a little bit of white rum. You could put some white rum if you'd like. You could put some red label wine if you'd like. Jazz it up a bit, you know. So I smell up already. I mean, why are you whispering? So my mother just say it smells good already, and we're not even halfway through the process, but give you guys a close-up. And I've never made this before, but I always wanted to make it, and today is the perfect day because I am here with my mom, who's made this several times, and of course she's helping me with this video and helping me to make this. Whoa, yeah, now I smell it. All that spice. And we have some more coconut milk that we're gonna put. We're just, you know, taking it a step at a time and making sure this comes together perfectly. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Angel Delight is cooking up some good stuff in her kitchen. Actually, this is coming from my mom's kitchen at this point. But you know, don't forget to hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. And again, guys, you never know where I'm coming from with my next video, so make sure that you hit that notification bell. And for my old subscribers, thank you for your loyalty. My new subscribers, thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my videos with you guys. Just continue to watch, continue to support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. All right. Okay, guys, so welcome back again, guys. So this is the final what should I say now, in how we mixed it. And this is the consistency that you want to have, because the last thing you want to do is when you put it on the banana leaf, it runs off the banana leaf. You want it to have a firm texture but not too dry. So now my mom is going to put one on the banana leaf so you guys could see what it looks like, and when she put it on the banana leaf. And the banana leaf, I honestly cut these leaves from my backyard where I have a couple banana trees. Yes, I live in New York and I have banana trees in my backyard. And we put them in the sun, and they've been in the sun for a couple of hours since this morning. So they have that soft texture. Back in Jamaica, my grandmother would hold it over the fire and let it softens a little, or them say quail it. So now my mom got her string and she's gonna tie. Why, mommy, you have blue jaws all over your shirt.
Yeah, put back on my shirt.
For real?
Yeah. My shirt
on. Our blue jaws that eat, our shirt that eat blue jaws. I may not even get to taste it yet. Anyways, guys, so she's tying it, and she wrap it really tight. We make sure that the banana leaf doesn't have any holes in it, because then you don't want, when you put it in the pot, then it comes out in the pot, and inside your banana leaf you have nothing to eat. So she's tying it. And then on our stove we have the pot with the water boiling with a little bit of sugar. And now, guys, hold it down lower, mommy. Now, guys, so that's what it looks like. That's what it's supposed to look like when you finish tying it up. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna continue to make more of these. We're gonna come right back and show you when we're gonna put these in the pot. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. And guys, we're making another one again, and the banana leaf is nice and soft.
Yeah,
it has to be soft, because if yeah, because I put it in the sun and the sun is hot. I never knew it would work, but so now making another one. Bianca said dirty jaws. Alright. Sorry, Ace. And you have to make sure you tie it nice and tight and tuck it in. Man, I can't wait to eat one straight out the pot, nice and hot. Alright, so guys, like I said before, we're gonna continue to do the rest of them, and I'm gonna come back this time, I promise, and show you when we're putting it in the pot, and when we take it out, and when we're eating the first one. Blue jaws. Okay guys, so welcome back. So now the pot is boiling, and what we did was we tip a little bit of sugar in the pot with the water, and now my mom is putting in the blue jars, and this is gonna cook for how long, mommy? About 45 minutes or half an hour, huh? 45 minutes to an hour is gonna cook, because remember guys, there's cornmeal and you don't want to puff up, so you want to make sure that cornmeal is properly cooked. And again guys, the ingredients is gonna be in the description box. And again guys, we're making blue draws, taya leaf, Ducunu, and it's not turned cornmeal. Poor Yankee, I don't know what going on. Alright guys, so we're gonna cover the pot and we're gonna let this cook for about 45 minutes after it start boiling up again. Okay, alright guys, so stay tuned. Once this is done cooking and I cut and unwrap and I'm eating, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Stay tuned guys, we will be back. There you go guys, see, boiling. Pata bubble, pata bubble. Pata bubble, 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 pata bubble. See them there. Big things are going for the Ducunu. Big things are going for the just. And you can't wait to eat them. The things are going for the loaders. So here we go. The first one is out the pot. The moment of truth. Flip it over. Open it up. Oh, hot. Alright. Again. See that guys? Now oh wow, this is good. This is really good. It's not too sweet, it's just perfect, and you can taste the crunch from the coconut. The flavor from the spices, guys, yes, brings back a lot of memory from when I was a kid, growing up. And the best way to eat it, nice and hot, right out the pot.
Wow. It's good.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so
one little piece more.
One little piece more. Go get your own, man. Go eat your own. Mix me some. Go mix me some beverage there. Go mix me some lemonade.
Oh my god.
Lemon. Go mix me some.
You don't want to taste it, Bianca?
I'm recording.
She can still taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Taste it now. Don't be afraid. Come on, little Yankee picnic. Taste something. Tastes like dumpling. Okay. Good. Tastes good. So this is what you call blue jaws, Ducunu, taya leaf.
It tastes like cornmeal pudding.
See that, guys? Nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish this with some good old lemonade. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Angel Delight is cooking up some good stuff. Today, me and my mom made blue jaws, Ducunu, Thai leaf, whatever you call it, wherever you're from. And guys, thanks again for watching my videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Guys, see you on my next video. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Nyam, my blue jaws.